Hey, welcome back to Construction. I'm going to compare and give you some impressions of these KTC number PJ-50 combination pliers with the soft grip, and I'm going to compare them to the Japanese made in Japan, compared to the American made, very much discontinued Craftsman 5, 4, 3, 7, 8. There's also with a little cushion grip on them, or whatever they're called. And the KTCs are a little bit shorter, but they both open up to about the same. Got the same mouths, pretty much. Actually, the TKCs might be slightly bigger. Oh, they're about the same. That's the same. Close enough to not notice. They have a very similar grip design, except I think these ones. No, that's yeah. These have a nice grip on them. I like that they got a good grip. Not that these don't, but these are pretty good. Yep, that's about it. Thanks.